In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money with translation. Let's go.
I won't stop. No.
What's going on, everyone? It's me, Melvin, and I'm back again with another video. On this channel, we talk about make money online, print on demand, how-to tutorials, and reviews. If this is content you like, do me a quick solid. Smash that like button, destroy that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. And without further ado, let's move on with the content. But wait, before I actually move on with showing you how to make money with translation, I actually want to share with you some Google Translate alternatives that may interest you. Let's go. Alright, so the first Google Translate alternative is Babylon software, okay? So as you can see here, Babylon Translator for Home helps you understand the world. You can instantly translate any word that appears on your screen while also receiving dictionary and Wikipedia results with only the click of a button, okay? Something for you guys to look into. However, they do have a business section, okay, where it provides businesses around the world with instant desktop translation solutions. Something for you guys to look into. All right, so the next Google Translate alternative, okay, it's gonna be linge.com. I don't know if I pronounced that right. You guys can let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so right here you have this arrow. If you want to translate from English to Italian, you can do that. But something I want to point out, so I'm gonna click right here on this button right here, this deep L. I'm gonna click right there and it's gonna bring this up. Okay, so this is another translator you guys can use, okay? Apparently they have a free trial, something for you guys to look into. They do have plans and pricing, and as you can see, those are the prices, okay? So if you're looking for a Google Translate alternative, feel free to check this out, all right? So the next one on my list, right? The third alternative on my list is gonna be itranslate.com, okay? They do have a free trial. You can definitely check them out. Instantly speak 100+ languages, okay? They do have an app. So the fourth alternative is going to be translate.microsoft.com, okay? So definitely check them out, okay? Break the language barrier. Translated conversations across devices for one-on-one chats and for larger group interactions. Right here you have a step-by-step on how it works. You start, share, and you speak, okay? Now, this next one is an agency, okay? And it's called TextMaster, all right? The professional translation agency available online. Okay, so if you're looking for something high-end, right, then something for you guys to look into. Okay, it's simple, modern, fast, and competitive, quality guaranteed. There's instant online ordering, average 24-hour turnaround, and right here if we scroll down, the standard 9 cents per word, enterprise 14 cents per word, and expert 18 cents per word. Okay, so Melvin, how can I sit here and make money with translation? Well, real easy, right? So let's say you actually are using one of these softwares, right? That's gonna help you out with your online jobs, right? You can easily go on Upwork, and right here in the search bar to the right, you see talent. Click on that arrow, okay? And you wanna click on jobs right here, all right? So it's really important that you do that. So right here in the search bar, I'm gonna type in translation. I'm gonna hit enter. As you can see, I have 175 jobs that were found right here on Upwork. You can go down and scroll and see if you find a job that you actually like, then you can click on it and you can apply. So the next website I want to share with you where you can sit here and look for jobs, right? It's gonna be people per hour, okay? I'm actually gonna go right here to the search bar. I'm gonna click on this little arrow and I'm gonna search projects. So right here in this search bar, I'm gonna type in translation. So as you can see, there are jobs available for translation, okay? So it's really important, right, to tap into these platforms, take advantage of these opportunities for translation and make yourself some money. So right here, we scroll down, looking for a Japanese to English translator. Like if we can easily go right here to Google Translate, right? As you can see, I have English, Spanish, and Indonesian right here, okay? So let's say this customer wants Japanese to English. I can easily go back to Google Translate, go look for Japanese right here to English. Then you can sit here and start completing that job for your customer, okay? So definitely check out people per hour, right? There's definitely money to be made. As you can see, $545 fixed price, right? 400 words, SEO friendly translation in Italia, Sweden, and Polish, right? It's an opportunity, all right? Now you're probably wondering, Melvin, what other alternatives you have for me, right? Well, we're gonna go over to Google. And right here in the search bar, right, you could type in translator online jobs, right? And as you can see, this job section posted. So I'm gonna click on it. And as you can see, I'm gonna click out of this real quick. But as you can see, Spanish translator from home, okay? Posted 8 days ago. And it tells you what the responsibilities are, you know, the full description of the job, the requirements, all that good stuff. But if you look to the left right here, you know, you can find other jobs. Subtitle translator, okay? English Spanish translator, English to Swedish translator, proofreader, okay? Definitely jobs available, right? And you can use one of these softwares right here to help you get those jobs done, okay? Now I want to share with you one other platform you guys can use, right? It's gonna be Fiverr. So right here in the search bar, I'm gonna type in translation. So as you can see, you have a bunch of freelancers offering their services. You can easily model one of these freelancers and offer your services. So let's say a customer goes on Fiverr and types in translate from English to Spanish and they hit apply. They're gonna run into one of these actual freelancers that can sit here and take care of their tasks for them, okay? So something for you guys to keep in mind, right? You actually wanna make an account, okay? You wanna make a seller account with Fiverr, just like you wanna do one with Upwork as well, and people per hour. You wanna create accounts on those platforms, right? You actually wanna expand your reach when it comes to translation, okay? Because there are jobs available. And as you can see, I would translate English to Spanish, okay? As low as $5. Now, I actually want to share with you guys a little nugget, right? So if we go back over here to Upwork, so I came back over here to Upwork, and you know, it's still under translation. All I did was click on fixed price. So for example, we have a job right here that shows $125, okay? Estimated budget. It was posted 3 days ago. Spanish translator needed for review responses, okay? As you can see, it says from English to Spanish. You can sit here, right? Take on a job like this, okay? The way I'm gonna show you right now, it's pretty much like drop servicing, okay? Because you're gonna sit here, apply for this job, you're gonna get it. But you're gonna sit here, go back to Fiverr. You're gonna hire one of these freelancers, okay? From English to Spanish. You're gonna pay them $5, or let's say their standard is $20, okay? So you're gonna pay this freelancer $20 to actually do that job for you from Upwork. And you're gonna sit here and stay with $105 profit, okay? This is called drop servicing. Something for you guys to look into, right? So now let's actually move back to Google Translate, okay? So right here, this is the to section, and this right here to the right is the from section. So right here is from English to Indonesian. All I'm gonna do is hit the microphone. Hi, how are you? I'm gonna hit the stop button. So if you're from Indonesia, let me know in the comment section below if that right there, this translation says hi, how are you? Okay, so honestly for me, it has done a real good job. So I haven't actually completed an actual job on this, but I know that it's effective, okay? And it could definitely help you out. But I do know there are customers that do not like if you use Google Translate. That is why I shared with you multiple other alternatives you can sit here and check out for yourself that can help you out with these type of gigs. So right here is Textmaster. Feel free to check all these platforms out. And if you do use any of these softwares, let me know in the comment section below how it's working for you when it comes to completing tasks such as Upwork. Okay, you got people per hour, you have Fiverr. Now I want to point something out to you guys, okay? Now if you go right here to Google and in the search bar, you could type in something like translation jobs in, let's say, Indonesia. And right here, you're gonna have a bunch of selections that you can easily filter out which ones you don't want and actually click on the ones you do want, okay? So for instance, right here, this says translator, okay? And it's in Indonesia, all right? You have multiple options here, but you also have other options below, okay? Such as this, English to Indonesian translation jobs, okay? Browse 28 open jobs and land a remote English to Indonesian translation job today. Go out here, guys. Be productive and make money. And that's pretty much it. If you found value in this video, and if this video helped you out in any way, do me a quick solid. Smash that like button. Destroy that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.